Hey everyone, welcome back to my yoga channel. Today, we're focusing on backbending improvement using a yoga ball. This simple yet effective movement will help you increase flexibility, strengthen your spine, and improve posture. So, grab your yoga ball and let's get started. Stand with your feet wide apart, knees slightly bent. Push the yoga ball forward slowly, stretching your spine. As you extend, feel the deep stretch in your back and shoulders. Slowly roll back up, engaging your core, just like in cat-cow pose. Repeat 10 times, moving with your breath. Inhale as you extend, exhale as you rise. Feel that amazing stretch? This move is perfect for increasing flexibility and relieving back tension. Try it daily. This movement will help you improve back bends, enhance balance, and release tension. Sit comfortably on the yoga ball, keeping your spine straight. Stretch one leg forward while maintaining balance. Push the yoga ball backward as you bend forward, feeling the deep stretch. Slowly pull the yoga ball forward and return to sitting. Repeat 10 times, moving with your breath. Inhale as you extend, exhale as you return. Feel the stretch? This is an amazing way to improve spinal mobility and core strength. This simple movement will help improve your core stability, leg mobility, and coordination. Sit comfortably on the yoga ball, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Stretch one leg forward, fully extending it. Slowly fold the leg back, bringing it toward your body. Stretch it out again, feeling the activation in your thighs and core. Repeat this movement 10 times, then switch legs. Focus on controlled movements and breathe deeply throughout. Great job! This exercise strengthens your legs, improves balance, and enhances flexibility. This move is great for strengthening your abs, back, and legs while improving body coordination. Place your stomach on the yoga ball, balancing in a plank-like position. Lift your chin up, keeping your spine aligned. Slowly lift one leg up, engaging your glutes and core. Lower it down gently and switch to the other leg. Repeat this movement 10 times per leg, focusing on stability. Breathe deeply, inhaling as you lift and exhaling as you lower. That was an amazing workout for core strength and leg flexibility. Keep practicing. This variation of Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, on the ball helps relieve back tension, improve mobility, and strengthen your back muscles. Lie on your stomach on the yoga ball, keeping your body balanced. Join your legs together and extend them straight. Lift your chest up, just like in Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, and look forward or slightly upward. Engage your back muscles and hold the position for 10 counts. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch in your spine and core. Slowly release and repeat if needed. That was an amazing way to open up your spine, stretch your back, and strengthen your core. Try this daily and feel the difference. This simple yet effective movement helps loosen tight hips, strengthen your core, and improve flexibility. Sit comfortably on the yoga ball, keeping your spine straight. Stretch your arms forward or place them on your hips for balance. Rotate your hips in a circular motion, moving clockwise for 10 reps. Now switch to anti-clockwise rotation for another 10 reps. Focus on smooth, controlled movements while engaging your core. Breathe deeply, maintaining a steady rhythm. That was a great way to release hip tension and improve mobility. This seated cat-cow pose variation will help improve back mobility, release tension, and enhance flexibility. Sit comfortably on the yoga ball with your feet wide apart. Place your hands on your knees for support. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and look up, cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, and engage your core, cat pose. Flow gently between cat and cow, synchronizing your breath. Repeat 10 times, feeling the stretch in your spine and shoulders. That was a great way to loosen up your spine, improve posture, and relieve stiffness. This movement will help open up your sides, improve posture, and enhance balance. Sit comfortably on the yoga ball, keeping your spine straight. Widen your legs for stability. Stretch your arms out to the sides. Reach your right arm to the left side, feeling a deep side stretch. Now reach your left arm to the right side, engaging your core. Continue alternating for 10 reps on each side, moving smoothly with your breath. Great job! This stretch helps improve spinal flexibility, strengthen your core, and release tension. This simple forward bending movement helps release tension, improve posture, and strengthen your lower back. Sit comfortably on the yoga ball, keeping your feet flat on the floor. Widen your legs slightly for stability. Inhale, lengthen your spine and gently bend forward. Exhale, slowly return to the starting position. Repeat this movement 10 times, maintaining a steady rhythm. Focus on controlled movements and deep breathing to maximize the stretch. That was an amazing way to increase spinal flexibility, improve posture, and strengthen your core. This movement helps open up your back, shoulders, and hips while improving posture. Sit comfortably on the yoga ball with your feet wide apart for stability. Bend forward, placing your right hand on the floor between your feet. Lift your left hand up, turning your chest toward the left. Look up at your left fingertips, engaging your spine and shoulders. Hold for 10 counts, breathing deeply. Slowly return to center and repeat on the other side, placing your left hand down and raising your right hand. Hold for 10 counts, feeling the deep stretch in your back and shoulders. That was an amazing way to stretch your spine, improve flexibility, and enhance balance. This movement helps release back tension, improve mobility, and strengthen your core. Widen your legs while sitting on the Swiss ball for stability. Fold your arms behind your head, crossing your fingers. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and prepare to bend forward. Exhale, slowly bend forward, bringing your nose to touch the Swiss ball. Inhale, lift back up to the starting position. Repeat this movement 10 times, maintaining a smooth and controlled motion. Focus on deep breathing and engaging your core and back muscles. That was a great way to stretch your back, improve flexibility, and strengthen your core. This movement combines wheel pose, chakrasana, and a forward bend, helping to improve flexibility, posture, and core strength. Lie down on your back on the Swiss ball, allowing your spine to curve naturally. Push your hands and feet into the floor, lifting into wheel pose, chakrasana. Hold for a second, feeling the deep stretch in your back and chest. Slowly come up, bringing your hands forward to touch your toes in a forward bend. Flow back into wheel pose again, stretching your spine. Repeat this movement 10 times, maintaining controlled breathing. Inhale as you open into the wheel pose, exhale as you fold forward. That was an intense and energizing movement for spinal flexibility, back strength, and full body control. This sequence will help improve spinal flexibility, leg strength, and core stability. Lie down on your back on the Swiss ball, letting your spine curve naturally. Press your hands and feet into the floor, lifting into wheel pose, chakrasana. Stay here for 10 breaths, feeling the deep back bend. Now stretch your knees, extending your legs slightly while maintaining the pose. Hold for another 10 breaths. Slowly lift your left leg, placing your left ankle on your right thigh, like a modified one-leg wheel pose. Hold for 10 breaths, then switch sides, placing your right ankle on your left thigh and holding. Slowly stretch your legs back into the full wheel pose, maintaining control. Hold for 10 more breaths. Gently lower down, transition into a forward bend, reaching for your feet. Repeat this entire flow 10 times, breathing deeply through each movement. That was an amazing challenge for deep back bends, core strength, and leg flexibility. Keep practicing and let me know how you feel in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more advanced yoga flows. See you in the next session. Namaste.